Hi guys, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a rainbow colored swipe. I'll list all the paint colors, ratios and supplies in the description box, and I'll also mention them as we go along too. I've started off by laying down my base color of titanium white, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 2 drops of silicone oil. The canvas that I'm using today is a 16 by 20 inch canvas that's roughly 40 by 50 centimeters, and I have about 200 grams of white paint mixture in this cup, and then I'm going to be using about 7 grams of paint mixture for each of the rainbow colors. The swipe colors that I'm using are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. To swipe, I'm using pieces of plastic that I cut out of the wrapper that the canvas came packaged in, and I just cut them to the size that I want to work with. Here we go with a quick close-up. Thanks very much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.